You have less than a few minutes to claim these June codes before they expire. And yes, they can give you up to 1800 free diamonds instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I'm picking 10 lucky winners from the comments. So drop your Roblox username as fast as you can if you want a chance to win extra diamonds. Alright, don't skip this. The brand new June update. Darkwoods Reborn is now live in 99 Nights in the Forest. And this update just changed everything. We've got brand new missions, hidden treasure rewards, limited time events, and some of the most powerful diamond codes released this month. And the best part? These codes are currently active, but not for long. So let's go step by step. Open 99 Nights in the Forest. Tap on the diamond icon. Scroll down and find the code section. That's where you'll redeem everything. Just copy the code, paste it, hit submit, and instantly, your diamonds will appear in your account. No waiting, no tricks. Now listen closely. These are exclusive June codes, not old ones. And at the very end of this video, I'll reveal a secret bonus code that only a few players know about. So make sure you watch till the end. Before we move on, do these 3 things right now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your Roblox username, because I'm selecting 10 winners and your name could be next. Alright, now let's move to the codes. Make sure you type everything exactly. Uppercase, lowercase, every letter matters. If you do it correctly, you'll see a success message instantly. These codes can expire anytime, so don't wait. And yes, I'll keep uploading new June codes and update videos regularly. So turn on notifications so you never miss out. That's it for today. Enjoy the June update, Darkwoods Reborn, claim your free diamonds, and keep leveling up in 99 Nights in the Forest. Like, subscribe, comment your username, and I'll see you in the next video.